Good morning, Tom. Good morning, YouTube. Right, let's make a little start over here. Right, guys, I'm gonna be back in about 15 minutes. Just leave it on pound yen, but bear with me. I'll be back. Yep, good morning, Tom. How are we all today? We got to be cautious of upside. Cautious of upside at the minute, in my opinion. Not unless we see some form of a solid support, then potentially it's going to be very difficult to continue this move up. But you know, we could be looking at potential breaks of this level. Could give us a nice pullback for a retracement, higher time frame. So I'm kind of looking at, if you look at your 4 hours as well. We'll wait and see. shall see. Right, I'm gonna be back in. I'm gonna be back in about.
Yo.
Oh, morning. How's it going?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad. Right, I'm just on YouTube at the minute. I'm gonna be back in about 15 minutes ish, roughly.
Cool.
But yeah, I was just saying that I'm not really anticipating any upside until we start to see a proper high level of support formation, and then potentially. But at the minute, you know, we have rejections from this lower end. We pushed up to the resistance, and now we're starting to find rejection. We're pulling way back down. So yeah, just gonna be probably a bit of a waiting game here. Right.
Cool. Yeah, I'm grabbing some breakfast.
Yeah, no worries. I'll be back in about 15 minutes ish. Right, bear with me. going on, people?
No.
Sorry about that. Right. Looks like I'll try and see if we can get this little close below over here.
One point it was looking like we're going up.
Hmm.
Didn't actually create some solid support.
Yeah, I was just gonna wait for like a 30-minute to be completely honest. But are we gonna get this candle to be the one?
You know, it's holding this level quite well, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it would seem as we respected this area. Did flip bearish on the 4 hour though. But the 1 hour candle looks solid.
Yeah.
1 hour candle
Yeah, 1 hour
broke.
looks good, but just not convinced right now.
No, I'd have to wait for the next 30-minute candle to close. Yeah, we basically want to see something like this now, I think. Candle like that. You know, like where it's got a wick on it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Something like that, and then we can have sells for the next one to continue down. That's going to be much better. Because all this rejection came from this support here. And we're still clearly above that. So looking at GN, I'm waiting for sells on GN, so I was going to say that potential break back into the range. But obviously below this support is going to be safer. Below here on GN is going to be much safer. You're going to have a nice easy move. But also on GJ, similarly, if we now start to get candles breaking above, and we start, let's say, closing above here now, then upside could be very much the case. So this is how I see it. We've got this level here, and we've got this support here. So we want to wait below here, or above here basically. That's what I'll be looking at. Not closes above here now, because then we can easily just create a little range in here and then start pushing down. But yeah, sells on GN could make sense. Look to push down to the support, see what happens, then see if we can break it. But obviously below here, like I was planning from the session, is going to be much cleaner. And you got a nice move to retest that low from the Asian session. Here we go. How was your weekend, Kelsey?
Yeah, it was decent.
Yeah?
Same old. Yeah, nice
Yeah.
relaxing one. How's yours?
Good. Yeah, not bad, mate.
How you feeling now after that COVID?
Yeah, I feel alright. I just, to be honest, like I started to get like a little tickly cough after a couple of days. So I've still got that sort of like tickly cough, but that's about it really. Like the fatigue's pretty much gone, to be honest. Only like, you know, like if I was to go work out or go back, you know, do a full day shift, would I feel it? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah, apart from that, yeah, no, I'm pretty much fully recovered, to be honest.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
Hit,
no.
hit the gym again soon.
Yeah. I was gonna try and go today, to be honest, but I've got to see. I don't want to rush back into it and then start.
Yeah, you'll have to go light.
Yeah, the other thing as well is like even like this morning getting up was tough, you know what I mean? Because last couple of days I've had to try and get some, you know, some proper rest and that.
It's JPY bank holiday, innit? So that's pretty wild, slow in Asian.
Yeah. Oh, looks like GJ's gonna go.
It might.
Yeah, now that it's made that top wick for the 7 AM candle, this could easily go. Very well could go.
Just wish it would have closed a bit lower.
Yeah, I wish the 30-minute would have closed a bit lower. It did close below like your Asian session support, but all the rejections came from that level. So you know, based off my experience, it's better to wait for that support. It's better to wait till we get actual closure below there, and then you're gonna have a much safer sell. And then you just have to watch the support level, and then should be good for serious downside.
It's a Monday as well, innit? You don't be rushing in.
No, that's exactly right. GN not really doing much.
Not many people in the live stream, is there?
No, not today, no. It's cool though. The views will grow again once, you know. Probably because I missed one day last week.
Yeah.
I was ill. Thing was, I just couldn't do it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you got to put yourself first, innit?
Yeah, 100%. Ooh, GJ. See, that's what 7 AM does, man. Acts all wild. But yeah. Well, for those who are watching the YouTube, how was your weekend? And what you guys looking at today? Anyone in any trades? Let's get some discussion going on something. Is anyone in any trades? Anything? For even this morning, mate, I tell you, because obviously last week just jumped me out of routine again.
Yeah.
I was in such a nice routine.
It's annoying because it takes a couple of days and to get back into it properly.
Yeah. Mate, literally I was in a amazing routine because even when I was ill I was waking up at like normal, like, you know, as if I was getting to the charts, and then, you know, because obviously because I was ill and that and I weren't gonna do it, I weren't gonna trade, I was just like going back to sleep and that. But I'd be,
as well.
yeah, but I'd be naturally waking up, you know what I mean? So I've proper been thrown out of sync. Yeah, we'll see with this little situation anyway. Don't want to rush into anything. The only thing if we do break above 906 is just that we haven't started to create high level of support. All we've done is we've pulled back to the same level of support and respected that. But, you know, even if we break here, it involves a little bit more risk based on the fact that if this situation, let's say like that, closed above there but in a higher position, you'd be much more comfortable to say, yeah, cool, you should smash up. But the fact that it's not, that's what's causing the problem. But hey, this might still be that top wick, and you know, your new 15-minute candle starts actually breaking down, but we'll see.
Yeah, it's hard to know because obviously that previous hour did top below support there.
Yeah, so the first half an hour may be the top. If this 30-minute can't close above 906, then I would expect the next 30-minute to then start breaking down.
Yeah, and then open, get a continuation down.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, today's been the least amount of viewers we've had on.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Still got decent likes though, 9.
They don't have that many people on.
Less viewers.
Yeah. That's what the problem is. There's too many other streamers. Because they're not jumping off. Let's be honest, they're not jumping off to you know, go and do something. You know, if you're on YouTube, you're on YouTube. They're jumping off to go and check other streams, and you know, it's, yeah. I mean, I think if you're doing that, that's pretty sad. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's like a desperate. Yeah, it's like a man who can't get a girlfriend. You know what I mean? He's jumping from girl to girl, just hoping for one that can give them the holy grail. But there's no holy grail, man. You just got to show up here every day and just take notes. That's your holy grail, and just find your own path.
I saw something on Instagram on the weekend, and it was some guy obviously selling signals and that. And he was he put a story up, and it was £100 to £8,000 in like a month or something.
Right.
And the guy messaged him, and he was like, "I'm quitting my job right now." I'm thinking, no. Why would you quit your job based off that alone?
Trust.
the next month you could lose all that money.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. Yeah, signals, man, they're a joke. I have to say it, signals are a joke. Yeah, I think I'm going to wait for this 30-minute to close. I'm not really liking this 15-minute. But for those of you on the YouTube, potentially, you know, you want to give it a go, maybe, since we're breaking above that resistance after that deeper pullback. Potentially worth a shot for you, maybe. We're now clearly respecting the support. And I usually would be in these, but just because my buys just don't really appeal to me.
That 15-minute close, no wick as well. A bit weird.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be too concerned about that, to be honest. I'm more like, it's a solid candle closure, you know what I'm saying? So if you like that idea, it's worth a shot. But if that next 15 starts smashing down, then it invalidates the whole trade pretty quick. But if it starts smashing up, then you're good, right? Problem I had, previous 4-hour candles both rejected the same area around 982.
Yeah, 982 to the left, the previous 4-hour resistance as well. That's probably why.
So we don't have much to go off here, really. Yeah, obviously we're very bullish structurally. However, two previous 4-hour candles did not or could not break up. Structure at the minute is very bearish. Short term, this situation here in the short term is bearish as we're creating pullback market structure. But we have found a bit of a blip in that bearish market structure in the short term as we were creating lower resistance. But now, as we were creating lower support, we're now holding that support, so we're failing to break. But if I see the 30-minute closing strong, that's going to give me a much better confirmation than just this 15-minute. So, we're just chilling. Well, I'm just chilling. But if you did like the idea, you know, did say, could be worth a shot. Your stops would have to be basically below that whole range. So about 15 pips stop loss. And obviously your 1-to-1 is going to be way up over here. So it makes it very tricky. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, what's going on, Leon? Yeah, I'm good, Leon. How are you, mate?
Leon's here.
Yeah, he's in the YouTube.
I'm doing good, mate.
Yeah, doing very well, mate. Very well. How are you? Haven't heard from you in a while.
miss you.
Yeah.
George ain't come on either, is he?
No, he's such a well. Yeah, do you remember the one day last week I was ill and he's like, oh, the one day he comes on
yeah,
time.
he's on.
Yeah. It's just like, man, come on, George. What's going on?
How's the trading going, Leon? You still at it? Or you take a break? This 15 minutes does end up closing below that support though. Could be really nice. Big wick.
Yeah. That'd be a major wick rejection if the 30-minute comes down now, wouldn't it though?
Yeah.
I mean that's gonna be a smash down. If we can get that closed below 814. But yeah, good to hear from you, Liam. Anyway. We'll have to message George.
Yeah. Got to keep him accountable, innit?
Oh yeah, we gotta get on to him. Man, what a waiting day. We've got around 8 minutes left for this 30-minute to close, so I'm gonna wait. Leon said, still going, mate. Just took a step back to learn and improve. I've been learning smart money concepts for a while now, slowly improving. Okay. I'm not really too sure what smart. I've heard that the concept of smart money, but I mean I never really sort of know what that is or understand what that is. But if you're doing well, good for you, man. Good for you, mate.
Smart money is capital placed by the institutions,
Right.
banks, and all that.
Yeah. I get that, but like,
Yeah.
how can a retail trader mimic what an institution's doing? That's what I don't. That's what I can't understand. Do you know what I mean?
Does that have a lot to do with like liquidity and stuff then?
Well, I'm not sure. That's what because I mean, obviously, like, you know, you get them adverts. I've got them adverts come up, and it's like, oh, you're investing, you want to use the smart money, and I'm like, yeah, but how can anyone? Because we don't have you as a retail trader don't have access to the same tools as institutions. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But I don't know. I don't know too much about it. Obviously, I just stick to what I know and what we do, but still.
hopefully get some volume coming in soon, man. It's just been slow.
Yeah. Well, if we're holding 800 and the 30-minute can break above 900, I think it's worth. I think that could be worth a go.
Yeah.
But if it can't, then I would expect to see then the next 30 minutes start breaking us down.
Or would you go?
Oh, god damn it. Yeah, see, look at that. That's why I was gonna wait for the 30 min. Yeah, we still got the last 5 minutes as well, so this could easily still push down more. What I was gonna say, Leon, if you're still on though, you know, remember you're more than welcome to, you know, you're obviously still a member, so if you want to come on the Zoom with us and that, you remember you're still always welcome. I was gonna say though, I was saying to you the other day, wasn't I, about that we need to sort of have a little message to the group, because we've got about half the members that just don't really do anything or say anything. You know what I mean? We need those that are going to be in the group creating effort, and do you know what I mean? Not like you direct at Leon, but I'm saying like for those other members that also don't really come on. Oh wow, what is GJ doing now, man?
Just
I'm not yeah, I'm not quite sure if I want to touch it. I don't like the idea of having a 30-minute that in one candle you could take either or opportunity. You get what I mean?
yeah.
.3 minutes. 3 minutes left. GN though was smashing up.
Not really an entry for that, is it?
No, interesting from GN. I would have expected to see more downside, but potentially based on that previous 4-hour candle closure, gave you a little indication. Higher support formed. Yeah, just tricky because you know you wouldn't want to really be jumping in necessarily over here. I mean, the only way that would have worked out is stops below the whole range, potentially, but again, it's quite tricky, very tricky. But yeah, this little GJ situation. Not quite well, we've got 2 minutes for it to decide what it wants to do. So like I said, potential opportunity above here if we can get closure. But understand that that is going to be much more risky than if we had solid market structure to back that up. You know, but sells below here, that's going to make a lot of sense. So this is our kind of current range that we're in. The only reason I'd give that a shot was because, you know, obviously clearly we'd been respecting that resistance. You saw the 15-minute even create rejection there. So if we then get the 30-minute closure, it's going to give it more, it's a lot stronger confirmation. But I will acknowledge that there's still a bit more risk to that trade than normally. Because all we're basing off the fact is that we're basically failing to break 800. That is all we're basically basing that idea off, and that we've broken a recent resistance during pre-London. That's it. Otherwise we've got no market structure, we don't have 4 hour on our side, 1 hour was not on our side, so we'll see. "30 seconds. What's going to happen in the last 30 seconds then? Last 20 seconds. Is it going to be a madness? Are we going to witness a madness? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so it looks like I said nothing. But notice how we've got rejections from here. So if the next 30-minute candle can create some form of structure, yeah, it will give us a definite nice move to the downside, in my opinion. But we gotta wait for an actual candle to break below 800. We do. Because hourly now, yeah, it looks solid. Look at the hourly now. If we start getting now lower time frame closes below 814, stops above here, that would be your stop loss placement, and then you can really look to maybe push down to previous structure points, etc. But my issue is I've got to wait still quite a bit of time before we can start executing on trades.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink. Be back in about 5.
Yeah, no worries. YouTube, what's going on, man? You lot are really quiet today. We're not going to get any discussion here at all. Let's get some discussion. What are you guys looking at? You waiting for buys? You waiting for sells? What you doing? What you plan today? Come on guys, let's get some discussion on here. Someone must have a chart for me. So yeah, we got a little bit more asking. Don't ask me to explain it, mate. Yeah, no worries, Leo. But I'm glad you're well, though. Nice to hear from you. But yeah, like I say, mate, remember you're welcome anytime in the Zoom or anything. We need to get them subscribers back up, don't we? Need to get back to trying to get to 2K, I think. Yeah, we need to get that 2K goal back. Yeah, let's write a new thing in. Yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway once we get to 2,000 followers, 2,000 subscribers.
Yeah, I'm back.
He's back.
Still not breaking down, is it?
Nah. No, it's not, mate. Oh, sugar, I forgot how to do the rolling one. Not rolling one, the... How did I do that? It's got a filter on it. Scroll, there we go. There we go. I was just saying I want to try and do a giveaway at 2K subs.
Yeah, that'd be good. What are you thinking?
Not sure. Maybe little magic keys.
Yeah.
Something like that. We'll see. Yeah, I think we need to wait for this 30 minutes to close. That should give us a good shout. The 20 minutes as well. And we'll know what's up by then. As we start coming into open, I think we should know where it wants to go. Yeah, little giveaway maybe. Free membership. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have a think about that. But we got to try and...
membership would be good.
Yeah.
How far away are you? At 250? Yeah.
Yeah, not many. Not many. Oh, there we go. There's your... I can cough.
This 4 hour candle closes small like that. That's 3 very small 4 hour candles in a row, innit? Don't see that often.
No. Have you seen that MMA fighter, Paddy the Baddy?
Yeah, I think I know you're on about.
Yeah, oh mate, he's so funny. I watched his fight, and at the end he was going on about how he wants his next fight to be with Mark Zuckerberg.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, because he took down his Instagram or something.
I'll definitely tune in for that one.
Oh, that is so funny. He's hilarious, mate. Oh, he cracks me up.
His trim as well.
Yeah, that haircut, yeah. You wouldn't think someone who looks like that is an absolute bad man, would you?
Nah.
Just like would absolutely rip your face off in a fight.
I don't think he's ever lost, has he?
Not sure.
Good record.
Yeah, he's got a high record, yeah. It's the accent in it that makes him.
Yeah.
I'm a Scouser lad. Oh, it's too funny,
You
man.
wouldn't expect like him to even sound like that either.
No. No, that's what I mean.
Thinking that like the lifespans of these fighters and stuff are very, very small. Like you think about Conor McGregor, like no one really talks about him anymore.
No, I know. Yeah, McGregor's like not like non-existent now, isn't he? Really?
And Joshua as well.
Yeah, I swear McGregor done something to his leg or something, didn't he?
I think so, yeah.
I reckon he'll be back, you know, McGregor. He's the type.
Gotta be.
He'll keep coming back. I think he'd struggle now, though.
Mm-hmm. I don't know how old he is now. What's going on? He's through.
Come on, GJ, what you saying here today? You're gonna give us the you're gonna give us the shot.
Either way.
Yeah, exactly. What are you doing the rest of the day?
I'll hit gym later.
Yeah?
Look at gold a bit later on as well.
Nice. Yeah, looking at gold. Coming into LY, I think below here. Can you see my screen here?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Below that 4 hour level here. That's going to offer a good shot. So I would basically be looking to trade this zone for MY if it were me, like there. That would be a good area. And I think for buys, probably like above this kind of zone here. You'd want to like see some form of structure, and then you can look to push back up to here. But if we start breaking down below here, then you've got a nice move to fill there from before the from last week basically. Just looking to continue. Look on the dailies. I mean, it's pretty obvious that we're in a bit of a range on the daily, so it is a tough area to trade. You're in this kind of spot here. obviously this level creating resistance coming from that area, so you could just argue that's your daily zone, and you got this daily support area here. But if we get breaks of that daily support level, then we know we're going to push down to the next support on the daily, and then obviously that's the wick fill, etc. So that's what you basically be looking for. You know, but it is tricky where it is right now, and it also depends what the London session candle does.
Gold in London for me, it's very difficult to read.
Oh yeah, gold in London is tough for sure. Right, we got like 15 minutes left on this 30-minute. I'm going to be back in 10. I'm going to just jump off at 10 because obviously there's not much we can do right now anyway. We're just kind of sitting here waiting. But we'll see. I mean, it could be worth a shot if you get breaks of this 900 level coming into open after this multiple rejections of the support. But it have to be a close above 900 as an absolute bare minimum. I'd much rather take sells, to be completely honest with you. I'd much rather this 30-minute come down and give us a closure, something like this. Then you can have stops potentially above that candle, or if you want to try and aim for a bigger target above these wicks, and then I think we're going to have easy moves coming down. But yeah, close above 900 above here. Stop would have to go below this support, and then obviously target wise would be kind of up over here, this kind of zone that you've got on your 4 hour. You'd have to watch 157 for sure. That's going to be an area of, well, we don't know yet, but if we can smash through that, then you know you've got the opportunity to push back up to the highs before the weekend. But based off the previous 2 4-hour candles, yeah, ain't trusting it. Look at those, both 2 4-hour candles both rejected that area and rejected the support. So it's a case of, can London offer us the candle to do that, or is it going to do what the other candles did and offer us that, which seems more likely based off what information that we've got at the minute. Seems way more likely. And you know, based off the current 1 hour, obviously if we got the close above 900, that would also be a close above the 1 hour level, which would give us a good shot. But at the same time, if we break below, then that 1 hour candle, like we said, would have respected this after that break and close, would have closed below, and then you can look to get continuation with the momentum during London Open. But I think we could be in for some nice sells. But yeah, I'm giving it all to you guys, what I'm looking for and what maybe you should be looking for, or the opportunities in our session. So yeah, bear that in mind. Tell you what I want to get. I want to get one of them monitors. Yeah, you know, the ones that go up on the. They're like a standing one.
Okay.
Do you get what I mean? They're sort of like, if you get your monitor and you tilt, you turn it the other way around, so it's like standing upwards.
Yeah.
I would really want to get one of them on my wall, and then just have that as like a sort of news, like terminal thing.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
Yeah, mate, that'd be pan. That's what I'm looking to do when I got the money from. I'm gonna use the trading profits to buy that. That'd be wicked, mate. Yeah, we've got 10 minutes, and I think this candle's looking nice, setting us up nice. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of want to do.
Yeah,
that'd be a wicked setup.
Up eventually.
You still need to get a little PC, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah, that's in the works.
Yeah. Mate, once you get a PC set up, man, it is just spot on.
Yeah, I know it'll be better. A lot better.
Yeah.
So my laptop's now coming up to 4 years.
Yeah, trust. It's so much nicer trading off a PC when you've got like 2 screens, you got a few things going on. Yeah, it's just nice, man.
Doesn't slow anything down, does it? When even if you have like multiple things open.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Right. Please don't run away from us, GJ.
I'll tell you what's nice, that we've broken them 4-hour wicks now.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, but this may just, may just go. We don't know. I'm hoping not. Obviously, I gotta wait the 10 minutes. That's my rules. So yeah. Man, how have we gone to 4 viewers?
I hear.
Yeah.
I'm one of them.
Are you? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Right. YouTube has been crap today, man. Really
Well,
it puts me off because it just makes me think like, why am I bothering?
6 now.
Like seriously, why am I bothering for people to keep jumping streams and like thinking they're gonna get better information and like just stick to one stream, man. What like it's like it's like a YouTube whore, man. I don't want people that keep I just want people that are just what I mean, they're gonna come on here and either be committed like I am being every day, or just don't come, don't show up. I don't care. I'd rather have 2 people that actually want to stay here than 50 that would like jump off in a heartbeat, which they do, don't they?
Yeah, but like every time you change stream, you're changing the streamer, which means you're changing the strategy.
Yeah, I mean, I mean, no wonder they're not consistent in their own trading, because they can't even be consistent with who they're watching to try and, understand the market.
So even looking, if you got off the hour, you would have had your stuff probably above the hour, and it would have wicked you out.
Yeah, you would have got wicked out based on that hour candle. Yeah. So that's why waiting for when you look at the lower time frame and you say, okay, hour's done that, but 30 minutes we still haven't. That's when it gives you that bit of extra patience. It's gonna keep you out of potential losing trades.
Just getting trades with time used to wick me out. I wouldn't understand how I could take it, but now I kind of do.
Yeah. Oh, GJ might run off from us here today. We'll see. I'm hoping it will obviously leave a wick, and then it won't be too far down for us to enter.
I think we'll be alright. I think it's obviously coming down to that support to the left, which is like very minor.
Yeah.
Don't break through that.
Yeah.
The extra confirmations.
Yeah, exactly. Oh. Yeah, I just can't believe it. Yeah, last week it felt like the stream was growing, but then like, just one day I don't show up because I was ill, and just get a terrible audience afterwards. I mean, they don't even say anything anymore.
Think about it, like you had Tuesday, which you were streaming, but you didn't actually have anything on.
Yeah.
And then Wednesday do it, and then Friday as well. So
yeah, I did come on Thursday, but that was because I was feeling a lot better. But even then, I kind of still shouldn't have streamed, but I did. Do you know what I mean?
At least there's a few people here that still seem to just be stuck here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Good way.
I mean, what I can't understand is back in the day, do you remember how like annoyed I used to get with the dumb questions? But at least people were like actively talking.
Yeah.
Like now, I don't even get that. I don't even get the dumb questions. It's just me talking to myself.
You boom down the mic a little bit.
Oh, am I? Cheers.
So,
We've got 5 minutes left for this 30 minutes close, and I have a bad feeling it's gonna run away. Don't know, we'll see. Imagine all that and it doesn't even close below. That would be the one, wouldn't it? We waited all this time. Well, anyway, those 5 people that have been here solidly since the start, hopefully you're gonna get a nice sell coming up. And we'll try and do some, see if we can get a nice trade here. And the other thing as well, since I stopped putting the green and red, like less people been coming on, which is just pathetic. You know what I'm saying? Can't even, like, they need absolute everything to be done for them. You know what I mean? Can't do any analysis. Can't do anything. Never known anything like it, man. Have you?
Nah. It's just
YouTube is something different, isn't it?
Yeah, YouTube is nothing like it.
Nothing like it. We have more likes than people we have on here, man. It just makes no sense. So literally, someone's liked it just to like it and come off. Obviously, I appreciate the likes, but I'd much rather people be here. Come on, GJ. We got 3 minutes-ish left. We've waited a long time. Thing is, though, that I get a good amount of views after the stream. So if you think about it, we get what? So we've had about probably 20 views as a good amount for the last, since I've come back. So about 20 people have been watching per stream, or let's just say between 10 and 20 I've been watching. But as soon as that stream's finished, you know how many views it gets? Literally the second it finishes, at least 150. So that means so many people are literally just flicking on for about 2 seconds and then gone again.
Yeah, on and off.
Yeah,
that's you every time you click onto it.
Yeah, so I mean that's terrible. That's basically 130 people per day are just jumping on, going, oh yeah, and then just jumping straight off, not listening, not doing anything. Just, yeah, I mean, I've never done anything like it.
You would think at least what you could do is add another tab on YouTube and just go on another stream, have all the streams above on the tabs, and then at least then you keep the view.
Yeah.
You mute the you don't want to hear.
Yeah. That's true, man.
Those. Still worth getting in for closes here, though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's still worth getting in, but obviously stops are going to get bigger and bigger and bigger.
Ideally, I want the stops above the hour, but if it does close further down, we have to be.
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to have to see where it closes and then assess stop loss, I think, because realistically it needs to go above like 960 for a much safer trade. But you know, as it starts to get bigger and bigger, may have to put stops above like 890s. But I'm going to play it by ear. One minute left. See if we can get a nice start to the week here on a Monday. 1 minute 20. Let's go, let's go. Can we get that close below? Can we get the close below? Should be good. 1 minute. So yeah, guys, if this candle can close bearish in 1 minute below 814 key level, I'll be taking sells, putting stops above this. Oh. See the little spoon feeding has to come. Stops above this area, and then obviously looking for about a 1-to-1 sort of target, basically. That's the thought process for the Monday. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. It's looking like a nice closure.
Yeah, back a little, which is something.
Can we get the sells that we want? Oh, is it even going to close below? Looks like it did. So we got the close below. So hopefully now. So I got around a 17 pip stop.
My truest. Yeah, 800 level. Yeah, 17.
Oh, here we go. Here we go, boys. My MT5's frozen up. Typical. Yeah, so I executed sells there, YouTube. But my MT5 has frozen up. No cap. No word of a lie. MT5 is frozen up. Oh, there we go. Now it's working. It's back. So I did that hourly close. Yeah, hourly closed. Respected that area. So it's pretty good. So we'll see. Should have a wick to the upside. And then should be good for it to flip. Hopefully. Obviously.
Imagine if this smashes up and we got that reaction off that 7.5 level down there. That's crazy.
It's very possible. It's very possible.
It's very range, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very possible. But we also might be coming back to 900 to create more rejection. It's already broken that 30 minutes. So for those putting stops above the 30 minute, you're already done out here. But yeah, I stick to my analysis. My analysis is reject. You know, we got the rejections from over here, so I put stops over here, and I'm playing the much bigger game. So if it doesn't work out, that's okay. I would take that every time. Based on my data and everything else, that's what you have to understand. But you know, if we got a 10 pip top wick, then you think how much the move could be if we start to flip.
True.
But then we know that okay, if we don't start moving into profit, within sort of this next 30-minute candle, we know we're going to have problems. We know that we can have this candle, being the one that's going to stop us out. So we just have to wait. But I'm not really going to be too concerned unless I actually see a closure above 920, because we can wick as high up as we want and come down. You know what I'm saying? That's the problem. Because of obviously being so heavily bullish from before the weekend, rejections to the upside can come sort of anywhere. But yeah, draw down time. Might have a loss here to start the week.
I never liked that one. It comes up so hard.
Yeah, it's not nice when open just comes up in that manner. But we got the 1 hours closing below, etc. So.
Yeah,
and it was worth a shot. Previous 4 hours were bearish, so yeah, for me it ticked all my boxes. Just sometimes it just doesn't play out, Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm stopped as well. Oh, so we had a loss here. First loss on the stream since being back. Oh wow, that's cool. We set the conditions. We waited, so it's like a minus 17 pip trade for me here today.
That was quick, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was pretty quick. That's cool. George. He's just popped to the YouTube. Oh god. He goes, I took the same loss, boss. Yeah, it's all good. I took that L as well. I took that L with pride. took that L with pride. Yeah, it's all good, man. It's all good, George. But where were you this morning? Should be on the Zoom, not the YouTube. But yeah, I took a little 17 pip loss there. That's all cool though. All part of the game, all part of the probabilities.
Yeah, as long as you take the right entries, you can't get annoyed at yourself.
No, that's right. I mean, that fitted all my rules, so 100% I was going to take it. Just obviously, you know, we knew that there's that risk based on the upside, but we're not moving up, right? So that's why you don't expect, you know, when you see this kind of pullback market structure, etc., you know, we're not creating higher levels of support. You've got a break of the support that had been respected the whole session. So naturally, you're going to want to see price continue once that support is broken. But obviously we knew that once it started breaking that 30-minute, yeah, it was going to be tricky, right? But yeah, that stopped us out quick.
Yeah. Normally, find the levels to the left would break both with open.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you back test, you know, the candle that closes just before open, and if it breaks the support, you get a high probability of trades that are going to continue in that manner.
Yeah, because that was the support that we couldn't close below since Asian.
Yeah, exactly. Since market open, basically.
Okay.
Exactly. So that's why it was 100% worth a go. But it is what it is. George was up late, almost half an hour late to work. Not good. Yeah, not good, mate. That's fine. It's just nice to have you on the Zoom.
Yeah, try and get on tomorrow. Sorry.
Yeah.
Early night.
But yeah, I took a little L this morning. Right, let's write this down. We're gonna call it a day here soon anyway. GJ sells minus 17 pips. Yeah, it is what it is with that one. Oh. Yeah, GJ sells minus 17 pips. Not a good start to the week. That's cool. Alright guys, I'm just running to the toilet, and then I think we're going to call it a day here soon anyway. Right, I'm just going to run to the toilet. Let's just check out GN. Okay, GN rejected. Gold. Yeah. Yeah, annoying day really.
Waited as well.
We waited all that time for that. Yeah, never nice taking an L to start the week. But you know, stops were in the correct place. Problem was, I mean, if you had stops above there, you know, yeah, you would have got less of a loss, but you do that at 10. So many times you could get stopped there and it still continue. So that's why stops above here was safer, but it's just that one time that, you know, you get stopped, and it is what it is. It is what it is, right? But yeah, I'm just gonna go to the toilet, guys, and then we're gonna finish off for the day. Oh, we got someone actually put in a message. We'll sell at 156,700, okay, and buy at 157.171 because of the range. Alright, sensible. Sensible. Yeah, maybe below like 760. Based on that, potentially clearly we rejected that area to drive up. Clearly. But yeah, that's cool. At the 30-minute chart, yes. Yeah, of course. I get you. Yeah, not bad shout. Right, let me go to the toilet and then we'll finish off here soon. I'll be back. Right. Right, gonna finish off there. Sorry about that, guys. Right, thanks everyone on the YouTube.
Cheers.
Yeah, thanks everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow. Thanks everyone. Take care.